in sympathy and antipathy, do I put my foot on the ground? Do I place it completely? And when I do this sympathy, the aspect of being grounded and to receive energy from the earth is the left leg, the standing one. That's with this one, that's my connection to the earth, the stem of my tree, the trunk of my tree. And the right foot, the right leg has to do with this flow from the heart towards the front. So it's this flowing energy. And in a way, I hardly touch the ground. You can slightly touch it to be more stable, but you want to feel this energy which flows into the world in a very deep level, but it's flowing, flowing, flowing. It's not down, and touching has a little bit the tendency of, okay, now I do just the ground. On the contrary, when I go back, and in the antipathy gesture, it makes sense to touch the ground and take this energy from there and let it go through the leg and through my spine until I feel it in the back, even the back of my head.